How to fix Microsoft Teams app not showing notifications 2026 full guide. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams when it is not showing notifications, using the most up-to-date steps for 2026. This is one of the most common problems Teams users run into. You are getting messages, mentions, and updates, but no banners, no sounds, nothing showing up. The good news is this almost always comes down to a handful of settings across Teams itself, your operating system, and sometimes the specific channel you are in. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your Teams notification settings first. Open Teams, click your profile picture, then go to Settings and select Notifications and Activity. Make sure Mute All Notifications is turned off. Then scroll down through the categories like chat messages, mentions, and replies, and set each one to show in banner and feed or whatever level you prefer. Just make sure none of them are set to off. Step 2. Check your channel level settings. Remember, by default, Teams only notifies you about mentions in a channel, not every single post. If you want alerts for all new posts in a specific channel, open that channel, click the 3 dots next to the channel name, select Channel Notifications and set it to all new posts. Then choose Banner and Feed. Step 3. Check your operating system notification settings. Teams notifications actually pass through your operating system before they show up on screen. On Windows, go to Settings, then System, then Notifications, and make sure Teams is allowed to send notifications there. On Mac, open System Settings, go to Focus, and make sure Teams is added under Allowed Apps, then check Notifications and confirm Teams is enabled with sound turned on if you want it. Step 4. Check the Block Notifications settings. Teams has a feature that blocks mobile notifications when you are active on desktop, and this can make it look like notifications are broken when they are actually just being redirected. On mobile, tap your profile picture, go to Notifications, and under Block Notifications, turn off when active on other devices if you want alerts on both. Step 5. Restart Teams the right way. Don't just close the window. Right-click the Teams icon in your system tray and choose Quit, then relaunch it from the Start menu. This clears the notification pipeline and fixes a lot of intermittent issues. Step 6. Clear the Teams cache. Close Teams completely, then clear the cache folder for the app. This resolves a lot of stubborn notification bugs caused by corrupted local data. Step 7. Check for updates. Click your profile picture in Teams and select Check for updates. Microsoft frequently patches notification bugs, so an outdated version could be your whole problem. Now for some pro tips. If you are on a work or school account and none of these steps work, your notifications might be controlled by IT policy through group policy, so you will need to contact your admin. Also, use the Test Notification button under Settings and Notifications and Activity to confirm everything is working end-to-end before you assume the problem is fixed. And if you use Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb modes on your device, double-check that Teams is on the allowed list, since these modes silently block notifications without any warning. That's everything you need to get your Teams notifications working again in 2026. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comments which step actually fixed the problem for you.